So hi guys, I'm going to show you guys a really easy trick that I learned. So yesterday, my computer was not turning on, my laptop was not turning on, and I just bought this Lenovo laptop, and for some reason it completely shut down on me and I wasn't able to turn it on. So I started freaking out, looking for, how to do tutorials on how to turn on a laptop that just shuts off on you. And basically everything that I saw online was for computers that basically had batteries that you could take off. And obviously, as you guys can see, my laptop does not have a battery. I don't know how to call it, removable battery, and everything is inside. So a lot of those didn't help me. And I just came up on this trick that I couldn't find tutorials of them on YouTube, so I decided to make one that I think can help you guys who have a laptop just like mine that does not have a removable battery on the back, because those removable batteries laptop are much more easier, where you just take out the battery, you plug in the laptop, you press on the power button. But really, with a laptop like mine, you can still turn on your laptop. Well, it's not going to work for every single one of them. It depends what the problem is with your laptop. Maybe it's just that your laptop is really old, but in my case, my laptop is quite new and I bought it about a couple months ago, so there's no reason that it shouldn't be working. So unfortunately, I have to tell you guys this, that my laptop is fine. Everything is fine with it right now. So, and I can't make it shut down and not work in order to really demonstrate this trick that I learned. So you guys are just going to be able to see how I did it and not necessarily see how it actually works. Does that make sense? I don't know. Let's just get to it. So basically, imagine my laptop was shut off and basically I was pressing on it and it wasn't turning on. Just imagine that scenario. So what I did is I basically just flipped on my cover, and let's say my laptop was shut off. So what you would do is you would turn on the cover, and basically my power button is on the side, so that's what I'll be pressing on. So what you should do is you should just press on it for as long as it takes for it to turn on. So yesterday I pressed on it for about 30 seconds before it turned on. But for some people it's going to be 2 minutes, for others it's going to be a minute, so it really depends on your laptop. So for computers with batteries that are inside the computer where you just can't remove it, this is actually a trick that you should try first before you look for other alternative or bringing your computer in for it to get worked on, because sometimes that's all it takes in order for it to turn on. Because my laptop was not turning on, and literally when I did that, it worked. It still works. I was able to shut it down and turn it on again this morning. Hopefully it will continue to work, but really that's all it takes. So I hope this video was able to help some of you, and if you guys have any other questions, please let me know. And I'm sorry I wasn't able to really show you what I did, because my laptop is working fine now, as you guys can see. But this is what I did in order for my laptop to start working. So again, just flip your laptop cover on and just press on the power button, and really just press on it give it a good couple of minutes. And if after that it doesn't turn on, then maybe there is something wrong with your laptop and you should bring it in somewhere for it to get checked on. But really, for a lot of you guys, that's all that it's going to take. So give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, and leave comments below if you have any other questions that I can help you. But this was a really good trick that helped me at times, and I know will help a lot of you guys with laptops that do not have a removable battery on it. So thank you guys.